All about the Study in Japan program with Jellyfish Education Philippines. After knowing the step-by-step guide of the application for studying, the most important factor that you must consider is to whom you should put your trust in helping you with the application. Don't worry, cause Jellyfish Education Philippines can definitely help you. Guide 101, Why choose Jellyfish Education Philippines? Established in November 2012 with the registration under the Securities and Exchange Commission. With overall 95% COE approval rate, Jellyfish Education Philippines Incorporated is the leading company for the Study in Japan program in the Philippines. We offer over 70 partner language schools and having an access to a database of more than 100 courses and programs, and that is how we can help find the best fit for you. And we have the best team to serve and assist you even after the application process. Student satisfaction rating from our October 2025 batch students. Let's hear it from our students. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now.